gonna be repotting my beautiful Monstera plant. As you can see, she's a beautiful plant, but some of her leaves are turning yellow. Why, you may ask? She's getting enough water, she's getting enough sun, but look at this. Oh dear. She is pot bound, meaning her roots are coming out and she needs a bigger pot. She needs more room to grow, and we all need room to grow. So I wrote a little song about growing.
Wave up high, reach down low, take a breath, breathe out slow. Just one thing you need to know, we all need room to grow. Clouds in the sky, earth down below. Years passing by as we grow. Birds that fly, seeds we sow, Mother dear with her dough. Just one thing you need to know, we all need room to grow. We all need room to grow.
Thank you so much for joining me today, friends. This was my first time repotting my Monstera plant, and hopefully she will continue to grow and to thrive. And yeah, let's put her in her new home, in her new spot. There we go. All right, till next time. Bye.